Hi everyone, in front of me I've got an OPPO A6x and let me share with you how to fix app crashing. Alright, so let's first of all find the app which is causing you different problems and tap on it and hold. So I'll use the Google Chrome. Now we've got those options, so let's go to App Info. And in this video, I'll show you different ways, different approaches which you can use in order to get rid of the problem. Sometimes you will be able to fix the problem after the first one, which I'll show you in a second. And sometimes, unfortunately, you will have to go through probably all of them to finally fix the issue. All right, so the first thing I highly recommend to do is to go to storage usage, which is right here, and then tap on clear cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, sometimes they might interfere and cause some problems. So first of all, cache, and secondly, here we've got the option force stop. So just tap on it and tap on force stop. Sometimes if the app is opened in the background and wasn't closed properly, it might have also some problems with the reopen operation. So force stop is a great option, and you can try to open the Chrome or actually any other app right now. Basically, if the issue was easy, let's say, this option, the solutions should work. If not, I highly recommend to check for the updates, because sometimes if you've got the older version of the app and newer version of the system, there could be some different problems with the with opening the app. So to do that, we have to open the Play Store, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and let's open it. You will be able to follow my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. I highly recommend to do that. You can check our tutorial of how to do it, or you can do it on your own after entering the Play Store. So here, let's simply tap on search. Here, tap on this bar and enter the name of the app that you'd like to check for the updates. And here we've got the results. As you can see, if the update is pending, your device will show you this information. So what I recommend to do is to simply tap on update. Your device will download the newest version and then overwrite it over the older one. And to be honest, it should fix most of the issues, so only the update. However, sometimes the update itself is a problem because of this overwriting thing. Sometimes the file couldn't be I forgot the word, but could it be overwrite, let's say, and there is an issue between the old and new version. So in order to fix that, I highly recommend to simply tap on this Google Chrome, simply enter this section here, and here we've got the option uninstall. So just uninstall the app, wait a second, just let your device uninstall it fully, and then install it again. Thanks to it, your device will directly download and install the newest version without this overwriting thing. Thanks to it, you can get rid of the risk of, some crashing. And as a last resort, which might be confusing a little bit, but as a last resort, I also highly recommend to check for the system updates, because I said that newer apps might have older apps might have problems with newer systems, and newer apps might have problems with older system. So it's important to check for the updates and actually update your device. So just go to the settings. Right here we have to scroll all the way down and go to system and update, and here we've got software update, so let's tap and check for the updates. If you've got any kind of update, I really highly recommend to simply download it, install it, and apply it, not only for fixing the issue with the app, but also for your own security. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.